Create a hyperrealistic image of a black hole at the center of a space scene filled with stars, using high-quality 32K resolution. Incorporate blue and orange rim lights to accentuate the details of the black hole and its accretion disk. Use digital art to create neon circles and signs in the background, inspired by trending digital art on platforms such as Polycount. Include a bright halo and a close-up of a spinning object on a table, reminiscent of works by Rustem and Sebastian Vrancx. Create a 32K vertical wallpaper that depicts entering a quantum wormhole, with an emphasis on quantum physics. Use ray tracing to achieve a photorealistic 3D render of a mountain lake at sunset, complete with beautiful sun rays and caustics towards the sun, and an island in the background. Enhance the lighting and realism using global illumination and quantum wave tracing, and add an anamorphic lens flare for an artistic touch. The final image should convey a sense of awe and naturalism, making it suitable for use in scientific photography and video, as well as in artistic contexts such as concept art, space art, and avatar pictures. Optimize the image quality for use in contests and stock photography websites like Shutterstock.